Apple's supply chain is making early preparations for producing the iPhone 15, with trial production of 2023 versions starting in China. iPhone manufacturing involves extensive planning and scheduling. As part of the 2023 releases, Apple seems to be testing a mass production version. Hanhai's facility in China is apparently initiating the NPI process, allowing assembly partners and the supply chain to figure out how to make Apple's future iPhone models. The NPI is usually in Q1 and is used to develop a bill of materials, test manufacturing machinery, establish a quality monitoring method, and uncover any possible faults that might affect the production run. Apple will aim to shorten the time difference between India and China when mass manufacturing begins. Generally, Indian factories start producing new models 6 to 9 months after China, but the goal is to cut that to a few weeks.